Poverty. One of the big causes of any problems like financial, family, and even faith. I am once a mother with my child and my husband. Poverty changed us all.
Daddy, can you please buy me an apple? Please, Daddy. Daddy, please. Please, Daddy, please. Please, Daddy, an apple. Apple, Daddy. Papa, buy me an apple like the one I've seen in the market, please. Okay, play with me. Yeehaw! Yeehaw! Whee! 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 Yay! Wow! This is so fun, Mommy. La! 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 Please, stop it. I don't want it anymore. Come on, Mommy.
I know something is wrong, Mario. What is it? Gloria, I've lost my job. What? You lost your job? Have your sinful fingers brought you to trouble again? Now, now, Gloria, don't try to accuse me as they did. An apple? Yes. They kicked me out for one single apple. So that's what you get.
Could I have guessed they would do that for one apple when there were millions of them? We were hauling them to the warehouse. I saw one roll down to the wooden plate. It was the big. I thought Tita would love it.
Mario, why are you taking that apple? That is a sin, did you know that? Sorry, I didn't mean it. Mario, you're fired for stealing that apple.
Dear Jesus, thank you for everything. Sorry for all those sins we've done. Please give my papa another work. Thank you,
Amen.
Jesus.
This is for me, this is for your daddy, and that big one is yours. After this, you can play outside, but don't get too late. Maybe.
Good morning, Mickey Mouse. What's your order? Fruit. Mango? No. Grape? No. Strawberry? No. Tamarind? No. I just apple. Stop. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Tita! Why are you still here? It's already late. Lago, Tita.
Tita, let's go home.
Gulat ka, my friend. Nandito na lang natin siya. Oh.
How romantic, my God. Pablo,
What are you doing here? What do you want?
your daughter, how is she? Oh, I'll loan you a few pesos. It may help you a lot.
But no thanks. Mario stopped depending on you since the day I took him from your clutches. I have no regrets.
How could you be so sure? If he and I were pals, we can go to air-conditioned movie house every other day. Pablo, stop it! Tell her you no longer believe the way she wanted you to live!
Mario. Oh, Mario, you promised me you were through with him.
Gloria, you must understand. I've tried long and hard, but could not leave us out of this kind of life.
You are not going with him, Mario. Are you, Mario?
Gloria, I'm going with him. You take good care of our child and yourself.
Mario! Mario! Why did you leave us, Mario? Mario! I thought you want this love. I thought you want this honest life.
Handwritten note deep in your pocket.
Mario!
Bye, sis. Don't go to that dumb party. But sis, I just want to have fun and drink some liquor. What? No buts for you. So just go on to have that. But sis, I'm already 8 years old and it's a free country and I can do what I want. Ella, come back here. Ella! So stupid. I'm so worried to my sister. What should I do?
Mario stole gadgets from the computer shop in their barangay. The witnesses described the thief with yellow hat, tall and tan skin. When Gloria heard about the news, she quickly called the police and accused Mario as the suspect without any doubt.
Spent half my life looking for the
Mario spent his 3 years in the jail. On the other side, Tita had serious illness. Gloria couldn't afford the expenses for her therapies. Unfortunately, Tita died.
Mario! Condolence, bro. Who died? Your daughter died last week. Huh? What? How come? You better ask Gloria. Where's Gloria? There, in the funeral. Gloria, condolence.
You loafer, what are you doing here?
Mario, why are you here? I thought you are in the jail. Pablo, why are you here in the funeral of my daughter? Gloria. Please let me in.
Tito,
I spent so many hours just thinking about the way things might have been. Things might have been. So many hours trying to bring the good times back.
If only Mario stay and live with honest life, I'm sure our family would be happy.